In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you, my beloved YouTube family. I hope everyone is doing well. Today's recipe is chicken biryani. It's a simple method, not difficult at all. Anyone can make my recipe. You make a mistake in biryani. You have 1 kilo of chicken and you add 2 kilos of rice, even 3 kilos of rice. Make it evenly, 1 kilo of chicken and 1 kilo of rice. Follow this ratio, it's not difficult. It's really easy, you might even stop going to restaurants. First, take a pan and add ghee. Add oil, whatever you have at home. After adding that, I am adding 2 onions to it. I'm giving you a 1 kilo recipe, okay? Add 2 medium-sized onions and fry them well. Once the onions are fried, wash the chicken thoroughly and add it. The chicken should be fresh, frozen chicken won't work. I mention this in every video. We're making sour biryani, we're making chap biryani. After that, I added 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger. That's it. Fry this as well for 2 to 3 minutes. I have fried the chicken well. No spices have been added to the onions yet. Now we will add spices, the Mumbai spice mix from Shan. Nimi Sahab Allahum. Add this, and after adding it, I'll add half a pound of yogurt. After adding this, you just need to dry the yogurt water. There's no need to cook it further, because I have already fried the chicken. Okay, after frying this, when you add tomatoes, you don't need to cook it much. I am adding a little more tomatoes. Okay, you should add 3 or 4 tomatoes. I've added them now, I won't cook it much. Usually I don't cook after adding tomatoes, but you can see our chicken korma is ready. I have put water for the rice, and after putting water, I've added a tablespoon of salt. Make sure to check the water. Okay, salt. Then you won't feel the lack of salt in anything. Okay? After that, you need to boil the rice until it's half cooked. The rice should be of a good brand. Okay? When the rice is just slightly undercooked, we will strain it well. We will strain it. You can see that our rice is ready. Okay, some people add cumin to it, and I've removed half the spice mix. I've left half in the pan. After that, I'll add half a tomato to it.